Good morning, Sherry here. I have a MSR 1-burner stove. It's small and compact. It all fits into this little bag when it's put away. I have the manual here for it. I have the stove, which is right here, and this all folds up like that. And you unfold it like this to use it, of course. And it has a wind shield to go around it to keep the wind from blowing out your flame. It has a stand for the bottle. This is the stand for the bottle here. It has the pump that goes down into the bottle to pump the fuel in. You can use camp fuel or you can use propane with it. And it has pieces here, so if you're going to use propane, this is the pieces here that you can use, that they give you to use for the propane. If you use propane, there's little short stubby bottles you can buy. I think they're good for when they do propane. And so this is also a kit to change seals and so on and so forth, valves and all kinds of stuff out if you need to keep it up. There's even a thing for pump oil here also. This little piece right here that goes down into the bottle, and it's to replace that little piece right there. There's all kinds of replacement parts that come with it. It's a nice little stove, very nice little stove. There's even this piece right here, and there's even seals to go in there inside this bag and everything. This is, like I said, a nice little camp stove for a little 1-burner camp stove. It's a nice little stove to take camping or hiking or anything like that you want to do. It has this little case here, and everything seals up in this little case. All the extra pieces that you need to repair it or replace stuff. And we have used this, and it's very nice for heating up water for coffee or oatmeal or noodles or whatever you're going to cook. And it works well. It'd be good for backpackers because it's easy to carry. It's compact. And like I said, it's just a little 1-burner stove. You don't want anything great big when you go out hiking or trike packing or bicycle touring or any of that stuff. You don't want anything great big to haul because it makes more weight, it makes it heavier, more stuff, to carry. Like I said, it has the service kit here, and the manual, the stand, and the pump, everything that you need to use this stove. It's called MSR Mountain Safety Research is what that's called. I don't have the bottle here. I didn't want to bring the bottle in the house, so I declined to do that, but I just read about the color of this here, and you probably can't see it on this manual, but it is a bottle about that long, and it hooks on. Well, this pump goes in there, and it hooks on to the end right here. And there's a place here to turn your gas on and off, and so on and so forth. Anyway, that's everything with the stove, and I'll show you how it folds up and goes back inside this little bag. So you take it and you put it in this bag, like so, and then you take and put your manual in there, and you put your windshield in there. Keep it all in this bag. Everything fits in down in this bag here. The pump goes in there also. This little stand goes in there. These extra pieces go in there, and then this all goes in there, fits back inside there. And that goes in there just like that. Oops, come out. Then you take it and you cinch it up, and it all fits back in this bag. Really nice. Like I said, for camping, bike packing, bicycle touring, so on and so forth. Hiking, Even if you're just going for a day and just take something to eat with you, you know, and you want to heat it up, or you want to take noodles, like ramen noodles or whatever kind of noodles you want to take, something like that, some kind of pasta, whatever. It works out very well. It's easy, as you can tell, it'll be easy to transport, and there's not a lot of weight to it. I would recommend on the gas bottle that you put it inside of a plastic bag of some sort, maybe one of those bags that you can buy that it's a dry bag. They have clear ones, and you could probably put it inside of that to keep, if you had any fuel in the bottle. I'm going to make sure, of course, it's upright so it doesn't leak out or anything like that, get on all your stuff, which would not be a good thing. But on our scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 10 because it is a nice little setup. Now, everybody may not have the same opinion about this stove, but it has worked out for us very well when we used it, and it's a nice little stove. I don't know what it cost for sure. I will put a link in the description for you so you can look at it. I'm pretty sure my husband got it off of Amazon. I'm not positive, but I will find that out for sure. But anyway, that's all that I have for today, and I want to thank you for watching my videos.